on both sides actually. I see the drips coming from the shower valve there. So coming right there. All right, after a lot of struggle and lining it up, trying to get it to line up with the body, these valves that I was given as a substitute, they were not exactly the same, so it was a challenge to get it to everything to seat right, but I finally got it. As you can see, everything's real solid. Somehow they pulled this whole thing out of the wall and it went spraying everywhere and leaked all on everywhere. So these are something wrong with this. It's stripped out. I got it back on there enough. All right. Start cleaning these pipes off, start reaming them out. All right. Let's have a look at this now. This towel's got a nice crack in it already. We have to be careful. All right. So here we go. We got our righty. There's our valve. I'm going to do some measurements. All right. So we're getting the shower valve all together, and basically getting these on. Let's hand tighten them first. All right, so we got that mounted in. Everything's solid, good and solid. We'll take care of these holes last, but right now, just want to make sure that's in. All righty, now. All right, so here we are. Got this done. As you can see, new shutoff valves. They're perfectly, no leaks. Everything's good. Use PEX to get it up there. Kind of a tight, really tight spot, so PEX worked really well here. As you can see, all PEX connections, and then one brass coupler there. All right, so here's the new stuff here, nice and solid. This ain't going nowhere. So here it is. There's the tub. Cold, hot, very, very hot. Very good mix. That's all the movement that's needed. You know, it's very, very firm now, but you don't want to be cranking it and breaking stuff off. They're not made to go crazy with, so everything is very solid though. And then for the shower, you can pull that up for your diverter, nice and easy. Perfect. And then let's go check for the leaks, which I know there are none anymore because this is all brand new built, rock solid. As you can see, all the connections are good. No leaks up top. All good, good, good. Everything's good. Not having any problems at all. No more leaks. We finally solved the problem. All right, and got shut-off valves. If there was ever emergency this time, it can be shut off. And once again, over here, looks good. Diverter. There. Boom. Boom. And that's it. Good to go. Then I just fill these holes in with a foam, so it's now watertight all in there and filled all the spots. Since we translated to a 2-hole or 3-hole to 1-hole, and I think this is going to be better. So that's good for now. When that hardens, we can always trim that off or something later on.